And for the people who are relaxed and want to do this without stress, I take 30 minutes to change the arm, a service you will pay, I don't know, to a mechanic, but I can say 100. I can see easily 100 or 150 for all the service. And the trick is just this bolt first. Yeah, this bolt first. I unbolt this steering line to get more access. This one, you put a key from here, this hole. Yeah, if you don't know, this hole give you direct access. You just put one of these and one of these and one of these big boys, like 40 to 50, 14 to 15 centimeters to get you the range. One bolt, this hose gets loose and on out of the way, and you unbolt and bolt the new arms. So I give it this for last because they are really easy, don't get in the way of nothing. So I get it just loose on the start, and that's the finish point on the remove and on the put the new one. So I did this part all at first. I got my electric shotgun and take this off first. This go all the way off. So if you got these bitches like I have, I did it to me, M3 style, you have to get the car lift on the two sides because the sway bar will make really hard force and you will not be able to turn this the side you want, to put this in place, because this will turn right after you unbolt and soften the bolts. So at least in the second part I did this one, I did this one, because they are really easy. You do this one, and I learned just a trick that I don't know until now because I discovered it. If you have a jack, you will probably have two are the best because you use the BMW one. Always use this to don't get killed and die in your car you are trying to repair. So I use this guy in here, and if you have the problem in bolt, you just, because you will turn it and will turn too, you need to put jack under this and make force into the subframe or this piece in here, and the bolt, when this got force from under, when the jack forces from under, this will not rotate and you can bolt it without take the shocks off. So I did it like that. I just give it the jack under, and the bolt don't turn when I am tightening, because you can't get a tool in here without taking the shock. So it's just that. Thank you, and I hope this helped you. And if you have any questions,